Max, start with you. You finally getting concerned the Cavs might not get out of the East?
Yes, I am. I'm concerned now. I haven't been until now. I thought, look, LeBron has shown consistently that in high leverage moments, he can turn the defense on. The defense will follow him. Other guys will also start to play defense, and obviously on offense, he can get it done. And Isaiah will have his legs by then, he'll be in basketball shape, etc. When it counts, they'll get out of the East. I don't know how you can look at this team right now and be sure of that. I am very concerned that they won't get out of the East. In fact, at this moment, I don't think they will get out of the East.
The way it looks, nobody's going to disagree right now. I mean, anybody can see that they're just not a team. They're just a collection of individuals. They don't know how to play defense. They seem unwilling to play together. And it's a soap opera that would rival General Hospital or Young and the Restless as far as I'm concerned. That's how bad it's been. It's at the point right now, LeBron doesn't even look like the best player in the world. I think we should put that on pause as well because of the way that he's been looking as of lately. And so it's one of those situations right now where there's no reason to have any kind of faith whatsoever in the Cleveland Cavaliers. But I will elaborate on that more extensively once First Take starts this morning.
All right, real quick before you guys get out of here. If it's not Cleveland, then who's coming out of the East?
Well, to me, it would be Boston. That's the name that's the team that comes to my mind. But I'm not going to rule out. I still hold out hope for the Washington Wizards because of the way Beal is playing, and they're playing without Wall once Wall comes back, and you can't ignore Toronto either.
Yeah, I would say Toronto. Toronto because DeMar DeRozan got a jump shot. Like, DeMar DeRozan's shot started falling. That's an elite player now. So you got to pay respect to Toronto especially. I think the Wizards have some of the same problems that the Cavs have with John Wall, but Boston is the answer.